Getting you the situation in Uttarakhand, and this story is in fact from Almora, where the situation remains rather grim and there is an increase in the number of deaths and crematoriums are refusing to accept bodies. People in Almora are not left with any other option but to cremate their loved ones in the open. Here's more.
The stigma attached to COVID is bringing out the most desperate side of humanity. Mass cremations are taking place in the open in the hills of Uttarakhand's Almora, as crematoriums are refusing to accept bodies because of a fear of the virus. Relatives of the dead are arranging funerals wherever they can, picking up wood for pyres. Local authorities have washed their hands off, again fearing the virus. Chandan Rawat's father died 5 days after getting infected. He may have survived had there been drugs available.
बढ़ता जा रहा है फिर हम तो दूर के रहने वाले हैं, तो हमारा ये 4-5 दिन से हुआ था इसकी तबीयत खराब, 3-4 दिन से। कल क्या हुआ था? तबीयत खराब में क्या हुआ? बुखार आया था और नाक से ब्लड निकलने लग गया था। आपके गांव के अंदर दवाइयाँ मिल रही हैं? दवाइयाँ तो कहाँ मिलती हैं, वहाँ नहीं मिल रही सर।
No crematorium was willing to carry out the funeral rites. Rawat could not even give his father a dignified funeral.
I'm in Almora, where the death toll is rising every day. And with nowhere else to go, the villagers are now coming out in the open, wearing PPE kits and then cremating their loved ones. The death toll is rising every day, and villagers are of the opinion they are getting no help from the government.
For 35-year-old Munna Lal, the last 10 days have been a nightmare. His father was suffering from COVID and was finally admitted to a hospital after 9 days of severe illness. 24 hours later, he was dead. Munna Lal had to cremate him in the open.
मेरे पिताजी 10-15 दिन से बुखार और जुकाम था और कल से कुछ ज़्यादा तबीयत बिगड़ गई। फिर हम लाए उनको यहाँ अल्मोड़ा, फिर कल शाम उनकी डेथ हो गई। खाली श्वास था, श्वास।
The residents of the hills have been desperately pleading for help, but there's nobody in the local administration who's listening.
The reason why they are doing the cremation in this manner is because there's a lot of stigma attached. In fact, if we are to believe the data, close to 16,000 active cases are there in rural Uttarakhand at the moment. And out of those 16,000 cases, 14,000 are isolating at home. Villagers are still waiting for medical aid. And they say if medical aid is not given in time, the death toll will rise and we will see these kind of visuals coming from every district in the state of Uttarakhand. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today with camera person Parminder Sharma.